Okay, you're here because you need a grammar checker for OneNote. Microsoft's built-in spelling and proofing features just don't cut it for me, and I'm sure you find them severely lacking too. If you write a lot of emails, social media posts, documentation, or anything else that other people will read, you need an excellent program to proofread your writing. Grammarly for desktop, also known as Grammarly for Windows and Grammarly for Mac, has you covered. It works in any application's text areas, in OneNote, Outlook, Word, PowerPoint, Excel, your browser, Apple apps, and more. If there's a text area in the app or website, Grammarly is there helping you with the wording, the spelling, tonality, and phrasing. How do you get grammar checking in OneNote? Go to hourly.com/getgrammarly. The link is in the description below. Click on the Get Grammarly It's Free button to download the installer. And when the installer pops up and save locally, you will click on the installation file and follow the instructions. Once in Grammarly, click on the Sign Up for Free button. Enter your email, a new password, and your name, and click on the Agree and Sign Up button. You may choose to sign up with Google, Facebook, or Apple, but those companies know enough about me, so I like to use a separate ID and password. This screenshot of a OneNote page shows that Microsoft only underlines 2 typos. Wonderful. There are more issues here than just 2 typos. Let's click in the text area of OneNote and we'll see the Grammarly icon appear to the right of the text field. Grammarly will step you through each issue it finds, and you can accept or dismiss their suggestions. In this example, Grammarly found 2 spelling errors, 1 grammar mistake, and offered 3 suggestions for clarity, giving you the ability to do a one-click replacement of the offending text. After you accept or dismiss the issues, you click again on the Grammarly icon to get the text's tonality. Is it friendly, optimistic, confident? The Grammarly icon is either a green G, a little yellow face for tonality, or it shows the count of issues in a text field. Grammarly has 3 plans: free, premium, or business. The free plan is suitable for spelling, grammar, and punctuation, and is good enough for some people to prevent the obvious, embarrassing mistakes. If you want a complete solution that improves your writing, helps you write more succinctly, prevents redundant words or phrases, and gives you advice regarding tonality, I highly recommend getting the premium version. The business plan includes the free and premium features, plus it adds style guides, snippets which are shared reusable content, branding, account roles, and single sign-on integration. Install Grammarly for desktop and you now have a grammar checker for all of your applications. It is a grammar checker for PowerPoint, grammar checker for Excel text, and apps like Slack and Teams and Discord and Evernote, Google Docs, and many more. Again, if the application has a text area, Grammarly is there for you. So don't make bad writing mistakes. Get Grammarly at the link in the description below. Hit me up on hourtolearn.com. Click the chat button if you have any questions. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and click the bell if this was helpful.